Hello everyone, welcome to Backyard Health and Healing, where you gain understanding, not just information. Overweight, diabetes, and hypertension are perhaps the three greatest threats to health in the world today. In this episode, I will rank the 5 easiest to grow in the backyard tropical fruit trees that have the potential to prevent and or aid recovery from overweight, hypertension, or diabetes. My name is Dr. Eugene Tull. I'm a doctor of public health. Welcome to my backyard. On this channel, I'm providing information to help people I don't know better understand how to prevent or manage these diseases. But the way YouTube works, I need your help to help others. By clicking the like button on this video, it activates YouTube to share the video with others. And so in that way, you help me help other people. So if 25 people are watching this video, I'd like to see at least 20 likes. Or if 40 people are watching this video, 30 likes, and so on. Thank you. So I'm ranking the papaya at number 5. It's probably the easiest tropical fruit to grow in the backyard. You can plant the seeds into a container, then transplant the seedlings. Or you can put them directly into the ground where you want the papaya trees to grow. Besides being a good source of beta-carotene and other nutrients, papaya fruit has a high fiber content, which makes it good for weight management when consumed regularly. The high fiber content of papaya fruit also helps to slow down the absorption of sugar in meals, which contributes to the regulation of blood sugar. Papaya fruit is also a rich source of potassium, which makes it good for helping to regulate blood pressure. You may gain greater health benefits by cooking and consuming green papayas, since they contain a greater concentration of nutrients than the ripe ones. A tea brewed from papaya leaves can also be effective in lowering blood pressure. The sugar apple tree is ranked number 4 on my list of easy-to-grow tropical fruit trees that can be used to prevent overweight, high blood pressure, or diabetes. Like the name implies, the sugar apple tree produces a fruit that's very sweet when ripe, but it also contains a lot of fiber and won't spike your blood sugar. This means it can be eaten in moderation by persons who have diabetes. And it can be a useful dietary item for people who are trying to lose weight or simply just trying to maintain their weight. The most noteworthy benefits of the sugar apple tree can be found in its leaves. Sugar apple leaves have anti-diabetic properties, which are known to slow down the absorption of sugar in food. There is also research evidence that a water-based extract of sugar apple leaves can reduce body weight if consumed over time. Sugar apple leaves also contain magnesium and potassium. Magnesium helps to regulate the heart rate, and potassium helps the blood flow normally through the vessels. Therefore, sugar apple leaf tea can be used to help control blood pressure. My third-ranked tropical fruit tree with the potential for preventing overweight, hypertension, or diabetes is Soursop. Like its cousin, the sugar apple, this tree can be grown easily from a seed. Clinical studies have found that both the fruit and the leaves of the tree are effective in lowering blood pressure. The fruit and leaves also have anti-diabetic properties, and when consumed regularly will help to prevent diabetes. One of the less well-known properties of the Soursop tree is that the leaves can be used for weight loss. For instance, animal studies have shown that the extract of Soursop leaves can reduce the accumulation of body fat and promote weight loss. My number 2 ranked tropical fruit tree to grow in the backyard because of its potential to prevent overweight, hypertension, or diabetes is the avocado. Avocado trees are not as easy to grow from a seed as the other trees on this list, but the health benefits an avocado tree provides will far outweigh any expense needed to get one. Because of its high fiber content, avocado fruit can be used to promote weight loss or prevent weight gain when consumed with meals. There is evidence that a tea brewed from avocado leaves can be effective in lowering blood pressure. There is also evidence that avocado oil can improve insulin sensitivity to reduce blood sugar levels, and that avocado oil can be as effective as certain prescription drugs in lowering blood pressure. At the top of my list of tropical fruit-producing plants that have the potential to prevent overweight, hypertension, or diabetes is the banana. Banana plants are easy to cultivate and propagate. Bananas are loaded with potassium and fiber, and ripe bananas have been shown to reduce blood pressure when eaten regularly. Green or unripe bananas contain large amounts of a prebiotic fiber known as resistant starch. Resistant starch interacts with bacteria in the intestines to cause metabolic changes that result in weight loss and lower blood sugar. These properties make unripe bananas a great addition to the diet of persons with diabetes who are trying to lose weight. Hey folks, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.